classes. Today topic chapter 1 Microsoft Publisher. Part 1 I am explaining this video. Objectives: Introduction, creating publication, customizing a publication, and formatting text. This is the icon of the publisher, MS Publisher icon. This introduction. MS Publisher is used for creating visually rich, professional looking publications. You can make a simple things like greeting cards and catalogs, newsletters, banners, flyers, gifts, certificates, invitation card, etc. Publisher offers pre-designed templates and other tools to help you create a wide range of publication types. Publisher offers a work environment that makes it easy to work with document in a variety of sizes and shapes. Publisher has large variety of tools to arrange and align the text, images and other objectives within the page margin. This is the publisher icon. Next, features of MS Publisher. First point, Publisher is the friendly and freehand application. Freehand application. Beginners can easy to create the publications. Second point, Publisher templates can be customized. Publications can be saved as a PDF or XPS format. How to save this one? PDF and XPS. Publisher makes it easier to print the publications. How to start the publication? To open the publication 2016, these are picture wise. Right side I am given the pictures and left side you have the steps. Step 1, click start button, click all the programs. Third step, choose publication 2016. Publisher starting screen appears. Templates. These are all the templates are available in your publication. This is the new year. This is certification invitation model. Okay. Now templates helps you to create a document that includes a default set of objects. Templates already have designed elements added to them such as color schemes, backgrounds, graphics, images and areas for text. Creating publication. How to create this? These steps is very important. First one, all the publications begin with the templates even if it is blank template. Steps to create publication. Step 1. Choose one of the future templates for the blank publication or choose the bulletin. Scroll to click the category you want. So futures you have new application you can own, but bulletin already category wise you have the template, that one choose it. Second step, choose the required category and click on it. The different templates get displayed. Creating publication. This is this one. This is future. Now clicking here future. So choose the relevant templates. Fourth step, click on create button here. Before clicking create button, you can set font, scheme, page size and border also. This model or this model, anyone you can choose here. Publisher 2016 blank future templates interface. Blank publication components are shown below. You know that everyone, this is the title bar. So many videos are uploaded in my video. There I am explain the word also in this model. So there also have the title bar, here also have the title bar and ribbon here, quick access toolbar, you know. Quick access toolbar have buttons. What is that? Save, undo and redo. Next, page navigation. This is looking like a PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint also have the left side, you have the pages. That is now called as slides, here called as pages. Next, status bar, which page you can stay there. This is called a workspace. Now create the birthday party invitation publications. Now I'm great. These steps are using. You can create the birthday party invitation. First one, step one, you can click the bulletin tab. This is one. Second one. Next, second one, there you can choose the invitation cards category in bulletin templates. Next, there click all parts party folder. Fourth step, scroll down to choose the birthday party 4. Scroll down after, here choose the birthday party 4. Fifth step, click on the create button. Once the publication is created, the main publisher window will be displayed as shown in picture. See here, this is your choosing picture. Create the birthday party invitation publication. You can customize the publication with your own text and image, etc. Customizing a publication. The predefined templates consists of different frames. Once you select the frame, the format tab enables with different options. What is the format text? See here, format the publication text